Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. Something is coming to an end. Why did this card come out? I hadn't even started my reading. Let's keep it here. Let's see why this card is out here. And Virgo, these are general collective readings, as I said, and this reading is for the 16th to the 18th of October, the weekend of the 16th. So let's begin here. Let's see what is it that you need to know for this weekend. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, as always, let's take an angel blessing card or an advice from my angels and see what they have for you for the weekend. My angels, what do you have for Virgo? Blessing or an advice, please. A blessing or an advice for my Virgo. One card of blessing or okay, not so many angels. Just one card will do. Vision. Keep your vision focused. I mean, I was doing the pre-shuffle earlier and the same card came out, and if I remember, last reading that I did for you or the last to last, the same card was here as well. So there is something that my angels are, trying to time and time again give you this message to say, Virgo, don't get distracted by anything around you. If you have a goal, if you have something that you're working towards, keep your eyes on the prize, right? Be very clear of your forward vision and don't let anything kind of deter you from your path. Let's see why this card is here. Let's begin your reading. And Virgo, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support to my channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. We meet here monthly, weekly, weekends, all the time. So if you enjoy this reading, do subscribe and join us. We do serious readings as well. This is just a mini read to check on your energies. Okay, so let's see, Virgo, what is it that you need to know for this weekend? Not feeling very happy this weekend, Virgo. Nine of Cups in reverse and the Ten of Swords. By the way, I could be picking up on your cross watchers energy as well, okay, Virgo? This doesn't have to be you. Maybe this is the way your person is feeling. Sometimes one does catch on the person who's attached to you, their energy as well. So the Emperor, Four of Swords in reverse and the King of Swords. So there is somebody around you. Let me open more cards. Four of Cups, Page of Cups and the Two of Wands. Yes, there is somebody around you, Virgo, who you feel is kind of a dictator. They kind of try and act all high and mighty, whereas I think deep in your heart you know that this person is actually in reality not as strong and as quite weak in fact. Yes, you have been enlightened. I think you have spent a lot of time in solitude. You have given it a lot of thought. Yes, this could be somebody that you've known for a long time. Maybe you have past memories with this person, but somehow you've always felt, even with them, even if you have known them for a long time, you've always felt alone, right? You've always not had that feeling that we're together. I don't know how to make you understand. This has made you quite angry and upset also, and many times you feel like giving up on them as well, right? They make you feel rather restless because yeah, you want to bring justice to your life now, Virgo. I think you spent enough time trying to analyze this person, and you've realized that this person is not a real emperor. This is the emperor in reverse is a very weak character who pretends to be in power and tries to pretend to be a dictator, but in actuality, all they're doing is trying to keep control of others. And even though you've spent time with them, maybe you are now getting more and more angry with them each day, and you wanting to release You want to come out of this stuck place now, Virgo. You want to bring justice to your life, and you are pretty clear about it now. I think your mind is getting more and more clear by the day as to what decisions you want to make. Yeah, you have spent enough time feeling sad and depressed, maybe waiting always for that love to be shown or that apology to be shown from them, which never comes. Yeah, the King of Swords is clarified by the King of Swords. So this could be a person who is, like I said, a dictator. Could be somebody very strict around you, or somebody who is very analytical, never really shows love and emotion. It's always about this is the right way to do it, right thing to do, giving orders all the time, um, being a little bossy, if I may say so. Four of Cups spirit. What's this Four of Cups? Four of Cups. You don't want to be sad and depressed anymore. Sometimes you feel you don't even want to work together with this person anymore. You are coming to that point where you are wanting stability, or you wanting somebody more stable. You mm, you know it's very difficult to shut this chapter off with this person completely, but you are trying to now become more and more secure in your own self. You are not wanting to rely on them anymore, because I think you've been waiting and waiting and waiting for years and years, I think, waiting for somebody to bring you an apology, or a sorry, or make things right with you, bring you justice. But this person comes across as the King of Cups. Right? This is, like I said, the King of Swords and the King of Cups, almost identical. This King of Cups looks like they have a big cup of love in their hand, but actually they're quite emotionally manipulative. They will say the sweet nothings only to manipulate, you into doing what they want you to do. You never know what you're going to get from them. They're not emotionally open. And sometimes you may feel that they love you, but at other times they may say things which can really hurt you as well. You see that, they really don't put in enough effort to build the relationship up. And here I see you now, Virgo, standing at crossroads. Yes, you are thinking of the way you've been betrayed maybe in the past, or of how things have never really worked out between you two, and maybe also making maybe decisions that it's time to bring things to a halt altogether. So what's this Two of Wands spirit? Yeah, you are seeing that this relationship is not built on solid ground. There is no foundation here. So anything that's not built on a solid foundation is bound to blow up and crumble, right? And here you are thinking about this, maybe planning your next move, knowing that this foundation is not going to last forever. You have been in hermit mode for a while. You have given this a lot of thought. You've seen in and out of this person now, and yes, you are seeing that the tower is falling. Maybe you want to now carve out something brand new. Give yourself a brand new life for yourself. You're done with all this, regrets of the past, always being sad, upset, feeling left out. You now wanting to change things around, Virgo. You are now, I think, having a vision for your future, and now you want to be like almost like reborn in a stable place for yourself. Because wherever you are right now is not making you very happy. The Nine of Cups is in reverse. And so is here the Wheel of Fortune. Nothing really moves. There's always some delay or the other which makes you feel left out in the cold, right? Abandoned, left out in the cold. I think you're seriously now thinking, planning of walking away from something or someone and going towards your happiness and your wish fulfillment. So let's see what's happening on the weekend, Virgo. Three of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Page of Wands. Okay, so what's this Three of Swords, Spirit? Three of Swords. One more. I think you see clearly now, Virgo. You are no longer in any disillusion or illusions of what is happening here. You are wanting to, I think, rush towards something new for yourself after you realize that things are not going to ever rectify. There's heartbreak here, there's confusion here. Maybe somebody's always angry, and there has been anger and upset maybe in the past, which always kind of ends up confusing you and breaking your heart. You're looking forward to this new beginning now, right? You want to have a passionate new start in your life. So what's this new what's this page of Ace of Pentacles that Virgo is thinking of? Yes, you are looking for something which is going to make you happy now, Virgo. You want a commitment in your life which is going to make you happy. I don't think this is a reunion card at all, because there is a new beginning here. There is a new start and a new beginning with the Page of Wands, which also represents something new and fresh. So let's see what this is. Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands. Page of Wands for Virgo. Yes, this old chapter has become a bit burdening for you, Virgo, now. You are realizing that none of your dreams can really eventually be fulfilled here. This weekend, I see you doing the pros and cons, right, of how you're going to have this adventurous new beginning for yourself. You are in the planning stage. You are realizing what's happening presently or with this past person. You realize the heartbreak that's been caused. You are realizing that this is not going to really work out. And I think, Virgo, this weekend, you may be kind of juggling with your thoughts on what is my next step. I do see this person trying to come back into your life and offering you something new as well. The King of Cups tries to confuse you sometimes. They may come to you with some sweet words or reconciliation or an offer of love to say, hey, let's do this again. Now this time I'll be more committed. Let's have a restart. But I see you here, Virgo, this weekend, kind of juggling your thoughts. Not sure, not knowing what to do. But yes, this message is, I think, coming to you. But what my angels are advising, Virgo, whatever you do, keep your eyes totally focused on the future. Even if you go back with them, don't give up your dream of the security, stability which you can achieve on your own. So don't kind of trust anything and everything that they say, right? Keep your vision very focused on your own stability, on your own security. I don't know what this reading was all about. You would know if this is your situation, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.